రాజ్యసభ సమావేశాలు కొనసాగుతున్నాయి. లైవ్లో చూద్దాం.
जब मैंने ये राय मांगी एंड मैं उनका गाइडेंस चाहता था, क्योंकि मेरा स्पष्ट मत है और ये मत इसलिए है कि मेरे से पहले जो इस कुर्सी पर विद्वान व्यक्ति बैठते थे उन्होंने इस प्रक्रिया की शुरुआत की थी कि हाउस को एडजर्न करने के लिए कम से कम मेन पार्टीज का एग्रीमेंट होना चाहिए और औरों की राय लेनी चाहिए। जब एक राय आ गई है तो 267 एडमिट नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, इसलिए बैठ जाइए, इसलिए कह रहा हूं। और क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स, आई हैव इंडिकेटेड ऑन सेवरल ओकेजन्स दैट 267 हैज टू बी consensus of the house. It was there on demonetization. Consensus of the house was there. Since it is not in this case, I will confer with the leaders whether I take recourse to rules 176 or rule 180, and that I will confer with them at the earliest occasion after we are few minutes in the 0 hour. And I will request the leaders to spare time for their guidance to me in my chamber. Honorable members, Mr. Kharge, I decide to settle in chamber. Earlier also you have taken a view, and chamber is used for conference with leaders of the opposition. It is a right place where discussion should take place. No, sir, I don't discuss in the house. House time is valuable. Which rule I go for? I am seeking. Please, sir. Honorable members, sir, nothing will go on record, sir. Nothing, sir. Sir. You wanted to discuss here, sir? Okay, sir. Okay. I leave it to the wisdom of the, one second. I leave it to the wisdom of the honorable leader of the opposition, whether he wants discussion today or not, one. And number two, would he want a discussion under Rule 176, short duration discussion, or a calling attention motion under Rule 180? Ultimately, I'll take a call.
On meet.
One second, please, hear the leader of the opposition.
Yes, meet,
you also
on meet 167 you take. 267 you take. NEET Manipur.
Okay.
No,
Sir, we are not discussing that. It is not before me. Sir, it is not before me. Okay, I'll take those of the leaders who agree to help me out and agree to my request to see me in chamber may see me at all right. Finding the stance of the main opposition party from the chair, realizing the gravity of the issue, seriousness of it, the impact it has on us, we need a discussion, and the discussion will be under Rule 176 and will happen today. If you want by a calling attention motion, that option I give, and I will discuss with the leaders on this. Please.
We should include NEET also. We should include coaching.
Mr. Jairam, nothing will go on record. Mr. Jairam Ramesh, this is a very, very important issue, and I would urge. Nothing will go on record. Honorable members as per guidelines. One second. Honorable members as per guidelines. Honorable members. Sudhanshu, please. No, please. Wait for, no, nothing. Your leader has spoken. On.
Sir, that is regarding the closure of the factory.
You know my question.
Almost
I have just
1,000
reacted.
people are suffering.
267 I will invoke when all parties are in
Other
consensus. Please.
section, sir. In
That
any
decline.
relevant section.
I politely
Sir, in other section.
I politely after serious consideration, decline the 267 by Shri. No, sorry, nothing will go on record. Honorable members, as per guidelines, the notice for 0 hour, notice for 0 hour is to be given by a member on the previous working day between 12 noon and 5 p.m. This is the practice. Electronically, only through members portal. However, today I have received a physical notice from Professor Ram Gopal Yadav on the issue of shortcomings in the examination pattern for higher education and competitive examinations. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, a very senior member, and this is an important issue. As an exception, I will allow him to raise this issue with clear understanding for him that all members will be inspired by him to avail the procedure and be technologically upgraded. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav may begin. Sir, this is an exception. Sir, I think under the Income Tax Act, Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav is a senior citizen. Am I right, sir? Don't have Me Too culture. Me Too culture is a very dangerous culture. Very, very dangerous culture. We must get away from it. Yes.
श्रीमान शिक्षा का
Please go ahead.
मुख्य रूप से
Before that,
Student
I
पर्सनैलिटी
call upon the leaders to suggest, advise and counsel me in my chamber at 11:30. I urge them earnestly. Yes, Professor Ram Gopal Yadav.
सर, मैं जो प्रश्न उठाया है, जिस पर मैं बात करने जा रहा हूं, बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है। शिक्षा का उद्देश्य व्यक्ति के संपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व के विकास से जुड़ा होता है और जो पैटर्न हमारे यहाँ पहले चल रहा था, उसने इस देश को बहुत बड़े शिक्षाविद, एडवोकेट्स, साइंटिस्ट दिए, लेकिन नई शिक्षा पद्धति में और ख़ास तौर से जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस हैं, उनमें जो सिस्टम चालू किया है, उसने सारी पुरानी व्यवस्था को और जो एक्सप्रेस करने की क्षमता होती है अभ्यर्थी की या स्टूडेंट की, उसको